Yes, reduce consumption of such sugary food and instead try eating foods such as oats and granola for a more consistent release of power. Remember, for an endurance race, we don't need the bursts of massive power. Rather, we need to maintain the power for a long time.
You keep saying the word power. What does power mean?
Well, in physics, power is defined as the rate of doing work.
The rate of doing work, meaning work done divided by time taken?
Oh, wow, your physics is really good now.
Well, I simply applied what you taught me previously, that rate of always means divided by time. So rate of doing work means work done divided by time taken.
Yes, indeed. And work done divided by time taken also means the amount of energy transferred per unit time, or how quickly energy is transferred.
So, high power would mean that the amount of energy transferred per unit time is large?
Yes,
I get it now. So the sugary food gives you an immense amount of power as it releases a large amount of energy that allows you to do a lot of work but only through a short period of time.
that's correct.
While food such as oats and granola would give you less power but can last longer, thus releasing the energy over a longer period of time. That would be perfect for an endurance run.
Absolutely.
Interesting, this concept of power.
Interesting, but it can be tricky. Let's try these questions to gauge your understanding.